Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your site meets the basics, then act immediately. Install a JSON LD-capable FAQ plugin and keep a recent backup. This protects you if something breaks. Once done, collect 310 question and answer pairs that are concise and accurate because search engines prefer clarity. Make sure each answer directly resolves the question. Next, open the plugin or block editor to add your first FAQ item. Don't overthink formatting. Focus on correct Q/A structure. Now you implement Schema. Insert each question and answer using the plugin's interface or the WordPress FAQ block and save as a draft first. Once saved, toggle the plugin's JSON LD output on, then view the page source to confirm the script appears. Make sure each FAQ entry maps to name and accepted answer fields. Include the answer text with plain sentences. If ordering matters, use the position property. After that, run a structured data test to catch obvious errors. Finish by running Google's Rich Results test and the structured data tool. You want green passes for each FAQ item. If a test fails, check for duplicate ID, broken JSON syntax, or missing accepted answer fields, because those are the usual culprits. Once corrected, publish the page and watch Search Console for indexing and enhancement results. If rich results still don't show, wait a few days and re-request indexing. Search appearance isn't guaranteed, but correct schema puts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.